Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 22nd of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you and your person. The first card that I see for you is the Six of Cups, the Chariot card, and the Nine of Cups. Person B, the first card is Judgment card, Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Wands. Now bottom of the deck I have the King of Swords, which means that there could be some communication that you can expect from your person, or this person is expecting you to have an open-ended conversation with them, and if there are any secrets, please make sure that you don't hide anything, because the energy that is there with this person right now, it means that they will cut you off if you go ahead and give them BS. Okay, so let's move and see what's the first set of cards saying about you. It says that with the Six of Cups, you miss this person. Whenever you're alone, you reflect back on the good memories both of you had, okay, and it kind of makes you a little sad, but you want to move forward with this Chariot card, okay, which is Cancer energy. You want to move forward and you want to make sure that this relationship goes back to the same old times, okay, the good times that both of you had. So you want to travel back in time and make sure that you can correct everything that is currently wrong in this relationship. Now with the third card that I see for you, you have the Nine of Cups. That's kind of a lazy energy that I see from your end. You have emotions for this person, but you're not willing to put in that effort because you're right now in that lazy energy. Now person B here, they have the Judgment card. With the Judgment card, what happens is, the third eye opens. So when I say the third eye opens, whatever this person was not able to see and understand previously, now it's very crystal clear to them that, maybe you did not put in that effort that this person was expecting. You didn't go ahead and put in the same amount of effort, and maybe this person was expecting more. Okay, maybe they wanted commitment in marriage and you just wanted to have a good time. Again, totally depends on which side of the story you are, but this person is kind of a little disheartened because now they are able to see things very clearly. Now what this person is expecting is they want the Wheel of Fortune to move and change in their direction, and once that happens, this person will move into the Queen of Wands energy, which is a very magnetic, attractive energy. People vibe for their attention when you go ahead and move into that energy, and in that particular energy, whoever this person is, okay, this person will get things done. They will be that go-getter. Everybody will vibe for their attention. Now let's also quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. The first card that I have is again the Judgment card, okay. The next one is the Temperance card, and we have the Two of Wands. Now with the Judgment card, like I said, this person has taken up the judgment call that this is what they want to go ahead and do because they are able to see things very clearly. So they have taken up the judgment call, and they will ensure that balance is maintained with the Temperance card. That's your next card. With the Two of Wands, if there was any kind of option B that this person had, or they got to know that they were an option for you, they will make sure that they pick up one wand, or they go ahead and decide what they want in life, and maybe if that means that they have to drop you altogether, they will do that and move forward in their own journey. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. The message that I see here is bring love into the situation. So it definitely means that emotions did not work properly for both of you. Maybe you were too much focused on the financial aspect, or you thought that you can take care of this situation later, but that's not the case. You have to bring love into the situation, which is the new moon in Aquarius. Now let's also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is golden topaz. The crystal message is, do you need to recapture your personal power? Surround yourself with people who recognize your talent, intelligence, creativity, kindness, and thoughtfulness. Their appreciation will amplify your goodness. Share your inner wisdom and beauty. It is time to reclaim and amplify your personal power. Now, there's a message here from Archangel Raphael, which I'll put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.